Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for West Central DeKalb County in north central Georgia, Central Fulton County in north central Georgia, until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. 9:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Sandy Springs, Chamblee, Northwood Hills, North Atlanta, Druid Hills, Midtown, North Decatur, La Vista, Piedmont Park, Brookhaven, Virginia Highland, and Atlantic Station. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. At 9 p.m. in Atlanta.
Gotta love it.